Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus and the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Both pack the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and stunning AMOLED displays, but which one truly dominates? Will the RedMagic's blazing 144Hz refresh rate and gaming-centric cooling system outpace the Magic 8 Pro's jaw-dropping 200MP camera and Dolby Vision display? What about battery life, charging speeds, and those unique features like satellite SOS or pressure-sensitive zones? Stick around as we break down the most crucial specs and ask the burning question: is raw gaming power better than flagship photography and all-rounder tech? Let's dive in. Starting with the display, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus boasts a slightly larger 6.85-inch AMOLED panel with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive 2000 nits peak brightness. Perfect for gamers craving fluid visuals and vibrant colors. Meanwhile, the Honor Magic 8 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.71-inch LTPO OLED with Dolby Vision and a peak brightness that soars to 6000 nits, ideal for stunning HDR content and daylight visibility. The RedMagic's standout feature is its 3D ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, combined with Eye Protection StarShield 2.0, enhancing security and eye comfort during long sessions. The Magic 8 Pro counters with AI circadian night display and dynamic dimming for adaptive eye care. Both excel, but the RedMagic leans into gaming precision while Honor prioritizes multimedia brilliance and eye health. Under the hood, both devices share the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with identical octa-core CPU and Adreno 840 GPU configurations. This means raw performance and graphical prowess are neck and neck, delivering flagship-level speed and efficiency, whether gaming, multitasking, or streaming. The real difference lies not in the silicon, but the software and cooling solutions we'll touch on later. When it comes to extras, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus shines with its 120-watt wireless charging, a dual cooling system featuring a pulsating water cooling engine, plus an active cooling fan, and a dedicated RedCore R4 gaming chip that elevates gaming responsiveness. On the flip side, the Honor Magic 8 Pro offers emergency SOS via satellite for off-grid safety, a dedicated AI button for smart shortcuts, and GPU-NPU heterogeneous AI supersampling that boosts graphics intelligently. Both pack premium perks, but cater to different user priorities: hardcore gamers versus tech-savvy everyday users. In camera tech, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is a beast with a 200MP periscope telephoto lens offering 3.7 times optical zoom, plus a 50MP wide sensor with multi-directional PDAF and OIS, delivering versatile and ultra-detailed shots. The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus has a solid 50MP main camera with OIS and an ultra-wide 50MP sensor, but lacks the zoom power. If photography is your game, Honor's sensor array steals the show with sheer resolution and zoom capabilities. Looking deeper at camera features, Honor Magic 8 Pro includes AI Super Zoom, seamless zoom transitions, and a color spectrum sensor for richer images. RedMagic counters with AI Eraser and AI Image Upscaling, focusing on enhancing shots post-capture. Honor's advanced zoom tech and AI-driven enhancements give it a clear edge for photography enthusiasts. Battery-wise, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus packs a larger 7,500 mAh cell compared to Honor's 7,200 mAh. While both offer massive capacity for all-day use, that extra juice in RedMagic could mean longer gaming marathons or streaming sessions without reaching for the charger. In build and durability, the RedMagic features pressure-sensitive zones at 520Hz touch sensing and a built-in cooling fan housed in an aviation aluminum frame, plus IPX8 water resistance, making it rugged for gaming sessions. The Honor Magic 8 Pro boasts higher dust and water resistance ratings IP68, IP69, including protection against high-pressure water jets, catering more to everyday durability and premium feel. Memory options are robust on both sides. with RedMagic offering up to 1 terabyte storage paired with a massive 24 gigabytes RAM variant. Ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming. Honor maxes out at 1 terabytes with 16 gigabytes RAM. Still plenty powerful, but slightly less geared for extreme multitasking. Finally, pricing sees the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus ranging between $800 to $1,080, while the Honor Magic 8 Pro starts at $850. Both offer flagship specs at competitive prices, but the choice boils down to whether you want a gaming powerhouse or a versatile flagship with top-tier camera and display tech.